Feyachi Reflex Sight Adjustable Reticle, for styles, both red and green in one sight. Reticle allows for 4 different styles. Circle / dot, crosshair / dot, crosshair / circle / dot combinations. All in one sight. A 33mm lens provides quick target acquisition. Wide field of view to maintain situational awareness. Very sturdy and secure rail mounting system. Will not come loose, made to last. Parallax corrected and unlimited eye relief, where the dot goes, so does the bullet. Ultralight, waterproof and shockproof powered 13V lithium battery, included. .556 holographic sight red dot sight for quick installation and disassembly replica metal for Utdoors. Perfect packaging 1x cleaning cloth, 1x English manual, 1x red/green dot holographic sight. Suitable for can be used on both 20mm tactical rails. Easy to use product disassembly is very simple and convenient. Just pull the mobile wrench for quick implementation. Excellent material. The material is tough enough, waterproof and shockproof, so you can use it for a long time. Battery features, powered by an LR44 battery that can be performed for a long time. Easy to set up. Pinty red-green reflex rifle scope dot sight for different reticles, black khaki. Green and red dot sight. This reflex sight by Pinty offers both a red dot reticle and a green one, both in 4 patterns with stepless brightness adjustment, to work in bright and dim lighting with equal ease. Enjoy a wide field of view in any setting thanks to the tubeless design and 33mm lens aperture.